Hi, my name is Bridget, and today I'm unboxing and opening the Hatchimal. That egg, and a green egg. In the red one, it will be one of these, and then the green one will be one of these. To hatch the egg, you have to hold it and rub the heart. When it changes from purple to pink, it's ready to hatch. I'm going to rub it until it turns pink.
Is it turning pink?
Yep.
Let me see.
They both turn pink now. Now they're ready to hatch. To hatch them, you push above the heart right here. It's your thumb. That is really hard. Oh, it is. It cracked. Got one. Got one inside. To get out. This is not really good. I got this little one with pink wings. This one's part of the forest collection. You don't throw this away. The shell becomes the nest. You take the plastic part out. Then you peel this. This is my little nest for the Hatchimal. And here's another nest too. The package also came with this nest. You can switch nests. Now I'm going to open up Hatchimal number 2. Okay. One pink, little black, Larry black, one one next time. That's my baby sister singing in the background. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. This one I got a little pony. This one's from the farm collection. Now I'm gonna make the nest again. I got 3 home. Hello, 3 blue, purple, black one. Thanks for watching my Hatchimals hatch. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our other videos. Leave a comment below and tell me what's your favorite Hatchimal. Bye bye. See you next time.